Hi, I wanted to talk about an exciting way that you can modernize your ECC landscape using operational reporting with SAP HANA Service and SAP Analytics Cloud. What these are, we've actually built 26 reporting templates using the HANA Service and SAP Analytics Cloud. So you can easily take SAP Business Suite information, bring it into HANA, and then do live reporting using SAP Analytics Cloud. Each template includes data movement, data models, HANA calculation views, SAP Analytics Cloud stories, as well as all of the supporting documentation. So you can add operational reporting capabilities now without any disruption to your existing landscape. Now, what's in it for you? You can actually benefit from new innovations of HANA as well as SAP Analytics Cloud without needing to migrate. So you can benefit from beautiful visualizations and stories that can be shared throughout your organization. Since they're pre-built templates, you can deliver these to your business users in hours, not days, not months. And still you've got the ability to easily customize them. Like I mentioned, you can modernize your reporting without disruption to existing systems. But further to that, if you are planning to migrate to S/4HANA, but maybe you're not ready yet, you can easily get started now with HANA, start building some of that skill set, so it'll make your ultimate migration easier when you're ready to migrate. Now, how do you do this? What you do is you go to GitHub to download the repositories. Then you can go into Web IDE in SAP HANA to do any customization you need to the data, and also do customization to the reporting in SAP Analytics Cloud. And from there, you can easily share the stories for consumption using SAP Analytics Cloud. Here's a quick overview of 3 of the templates that are available. So we've got a sales overview, a billing overview, also applicable to the sales department, and purchasing goods receipt. So just a quick view of the type of beautiful reporting that you can do using these templates. Thanks for your time.